The city of Tahoka issuing a stay-at-home order on Thursday. KLBK's Brenda Lepenski went to Tahoka and spoke with Mayor John Baker about the decision they made to close. Brenda?
Terry, the city of Tahoka has a population of over 2,600 people, which means that the virus is more likely to spread faster. Unfortunately, they've already had one death this year, which is something that the mayor does not want to happen again.
It was a little nerve-wracking just standing there, and I was asked to not move.
Maribel Perez describes the feeling she had after getting tested for COVID-19 from the Texas National Guard. So far, the county she lives in has reported a total of 18 coronavirus cases.
It's scary with so many people coming down with it, and just not wanting to really leave the house at all anymore, at all. This is a tiny town, and I'm scared that it's going to spread very, very, very quickly with it being so tiny.
With the number of coronavirus cases in flux, the mayor made a tough decision to issue the stay-at-home order.
It was concerning and not something that I looked and took lightly to issue that stay-at-home order again. We did it back a couple of months ago, and Governor Abbott has opened up the state as much as possible, and we're trying to follow those guidelines and follow that order of his. But we also need to keep our citizens safe because our situation may be different than it is in our next door neighbors, counties.
He says there was a recent spike in cases due to people traveling outside the city.
We had some individuals, as I understand it, traveled outside the area, went to a party in a meeting, a gathering, and were infected there and have come back and have tested positive. They've had contact with a few other individuals from Tahoka, and those individuals, several of them have turned up positive as well.
And as a suburb community in the area, he urges his residents to take precaution when traveling.
If they got to go to work, I understand, but please wear a mask and please wash your hands and please socially distance as far as possible.
With a temporary stay-at-home order in place, he hopes to combat the growing number of cases in his city.
We'll come out stronger on the other side of this. It's just going to be a little while longer before we get to it.
The city will remain closed until further notice, and the mayor, of course, is advising people to wear masks out in public and to be socially distant. Terry?